everyone, this week on Technical Tuesday, we're going to talk about how to locate leaky areas and wall assemblies, ceilings, and floors with your blower door and a pressure pan. Here at Retrotec, we make a few different pressure pans that you can use. This is our smallest one that we make, which is great for looking for leaks around can lights, supply registers, over some bath fans, receptacles, switch boxes, smaller penetrations like that. And we also have our larger 24 by 24 inch pressure pan, which is great for looking for leaks around some room returns, larger bath vents, and things like that. And of course, you can also use our flow box as a pressure pan as well, with all 4 holes plugged up. Flow box is an exhaust fan flow meter, so with some of the holes open, you can use it to measure flows in bath fans, some room returns, whole house ventilation, some kitchen exhausts, anything that pulls an exhaust like that. But like I said earlier, with all 4 holes plugged up, you can use it as a pressure pan, so it's kind of 2 tools in one. So whenever you're using one of these, you'll depressurize the house with your blower door down to negative 50 pascals of pressure, just like you would if you're running a blower door test. And then you'll simply just connect your DM32 to your blue port, to the blue port here on the pressure pan, and then firmly place the pan over whatever penetration that you want to look at. So as you can see here, we can put it over this receptacle, and we can see that this wall assembly is pretty leaky. This is a good indicator that there's some leakage coming into this wall assembly, likely from either the attic above or the crawl space below. And here we can use the larger one to put it over this return with the HVAC system off to maybe see if there's some leakage in this return somewhere, or maybe at the drywall rough opening, where we can see a pressure differential between this return area and the rest of the house. There's not really a particular number here that we're looking for. We're just looking for some leakage that might be higher than other areas of a similar penetration in the house. For example, if we go around measuring can lights or receptacles and we're getting maybe 2 pascals of pressure, and then we test another one and we're getting maybe 10 or 12, then that's a good indicator that somewhere in that wall assembly, it's connected to the outdoors a little more than other assemblies like it. So using the pressure pan is a more narrow focus of leak detection than some other types. For example, if we're using a smoke emitter or maybe some zonal pressure diagnostics, those types of leak detection kind of show us which areas of a building might be leaky. The pressure pan kind of helps us narrow it down to find exactly where that leakage might be coming from. I always recommend, when possible, to use a few different kinds of leak detection to see if they agree with each other, or maybe if one type suggests something other than another. So this is just something else you can add to your toolkit to see where some problem areas might be occurring within the building envelope. If you have any questions about locating leaks in building enclosures, or airflow measurements, or air tightness testing, always feel free to reach out, sam@retrotec.com, and we'll catch you guys back here again next week. Thanks for watching.